I bought this really cool shop sweeper from VEVOR, and I mean, price-wise, you can't beat it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out of the box, get it put together, and let you see it in action. So this right here is everything in the box. Super simple, straightforward. You got these two sweepers here, and it's got a sweeper between the wheels. So when it moves, it sweeps. This section here is like the trash can or the dustpan. You just push this thing around and it fills up that dustpan here with dust and trash and whatever's in your shop. You just pull it off and dump it. So let me get the handle put together, snap these two sweepers on, and then we're gonna see how well this thing's gonna clean up this shop. I did forget to show you, it comes with a manual, of course, and it comes with these little pieces here. These little pieces here snap the front brushes on, and this is what I meant. These little brushes here, they just snap onto this right here. And then you've got this big brush here that moves when the wheels move. So when these wheels move, it moves these brushes and that brush. And it moves them pretty quick. So the ratio is definitely geared differently. So just moving it a little bit still gives you a lot of sweeping action. So I'm gonna get them put on like you see here, get them snapped on, get the handle done, and we're gonna get to sweeping. So here it is put together. Straightforward, very easy to put together. Handle goes on like a mower. Brushes in the front, brush everything to the middle, and then the brush on the bottom between the wheels brushes it into the tank. I just did a couple little spins around the shop here and it picked up everything great. I mean, you could see the trail. It's kind of hard to see in the camera because, well, it all kind of looks the same, but you definitely notice it when you're pushing it. The shop floor is somewhat dirty, but I think you can see here the trail that this thing makes when it's sweeping here and here and this in the middle. Now, it's effortless. You just push it and it just sweeps it up. So it's not anything that would be hard or wear you out doing. It's real simple. So even if you go over your shop 2 or 3 times with this to get everything up, it's easy. It's almost enjoyable. So I really like using it. I definitely got a lot more, as you can see, to go. We haven't swept this place in years. But now that I have this, I plan on sweeping this thing all the time. All right, so I swept up a small portion of the shop. I still have a lot to go, but I think this is gonna have quite a bit of stuff in it. Let's check it out. Wow, let me throw this out here. Now, of course, you would normally want to throw that in a trash can, but I threw that here just to see everything it picked up. And it picked up big and small stuff. Even the fine, dusty stuff, as you can see, it's very dusty. It picks it all up. One of my favorite little toys now for the building. So I hope this information was helpful. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.